I don't know why that video stopped. I don't even know what y'all seen or didn't see. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go up in there, I'm gonna unplug it right here, and I'm gonna unplug it right here. When I unplug this one, all that fluid is gonna drain into that bucket. Like I was saying on that other video, get you a bucket so you can pour it back in there, but get you a clean bucket. And I let somebody use this bucket and they absolutely dogged it and gave it back to me. No shame in the game. So I can't see with the light because I don't have no light up in there. So I'm about to unplug this and I'm about to unplug this. Then I'm gonna take it out. This part is what goes into the fluid that pumps it up. So I'll be back. Believe it or not, y'all, I got it. One fell swoop. One fell swoop. Like I said, I unplugged this. And then when I unplugged this one, the water started pouring out. But I had to lean it out some because this plastic part is kind of into the reservoir a little bit. So you got to lean it out. And I popped it out. And when I popped it out, a lot of water started coming out at the top up here. Right behind where this would have been. A lot of fluid. So I just stuck the other one in there. Pushed it back. Put the bottom, that stopped the water at the top. And then I plugged up the one at the bottom. Now I'm just trying to make sure I got this plugged up at the top. Got that. That's good. I think we got it. Let's go check. Hey. Look like it might not be the pump. Oh my goodness, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a sensor. Maybe it's a sensor. That's enough for this one. Let me check to make sure it ain't leaking or nothing. And I'll holler back. Hey, never miss the opportunity to keep moving forward. And I'll holler back. Okay, we got it, y'all. On that go round, that plug just wasn't plugged up good enough. That prong that was inside of the actual pump was bent. We got it. So that other pump did go out. The new pump working and you can hear it also. And we out.